Corruption in culture. Hi, I'm Ray Williams. Lisa takes on Babsy, an attack timed to coincide with the launch of Jamaica 55. But her allegations are shrugged off.
Taking in today's vibration.
Jamaican political to and fro, often a case of the pot calling the kettle black. But former Culture Minister Lisa Hanna had a particularly attentive audience in Gordon House as she went for her successor's jugular. Hanna levelling charges of corruption and waste.
A separate creature called the Jamaica 55 Secretariat has been established by Minister Grange to do the JCDC's job, which is to plan and execute the festivities. Is this how we plug the leaks in the government expenditure? Or is this how you guarantee that it is leaked to the right place?
Babsy Grange also accused of promoting personal consultants over state agencies like the JCDC and shortchanging independence celebrations this year despite a hefty $440 million allocation. Her allegations overshadowing the Jamaica 55 launch Wednesday. Grange hitting back at Hanna earlier in her budget presentation.
What Ms. Hanna said yesterday was a big, fat lie.
Consequently, the Jamaica House function off to a late start. The audience, led by Prime Minister Andrew Holness, treated to performances by Toots Hibbert, Hugh Roy, Ken Booth, and Ernest Smith.
Life is just for living. Life is just for living.
Seamlessly backed by an Ibu Cooper-led band, all very classy and well worth the cheers. But Lisa Hanna's comments a cloud over the occasion, a cloud the minister, not looking particularly bothered, attempted to dispel.
Lisa Hanna came out this week and accused the ministry, accused you of corruption. Are you wasting public money?
No, we're not. We're not. And I categorically deny any corruption. What I can say is that whatever we do can stand up to scrutiny. And I could say her comments is as a result of bad mind and it's rubbish. But you know what? I'm not going to do that.
Let me ask you again, can a country that's cash-strapped and owes a lot of money to the IMF afford this sort of expenditure on public celebrations?
The expenditure, what I've been able to do is maximize the limited resources. We have been able to, for example, this lovely environment in which we're in. If you look at the beautiful boards, we are in a setting that is that of a sports museum. And these were boards that were dumped by the previous administration that we found, and we have used them to create this wonderful environment.
Earlier, Babsy was bubbling and upbeat as she outlined Jamaica 55 highlights, including a sports museum.
We will establish a virtual sport museum during the course of this year, and we will break ground to build the sports museum into the next couple of years. The other highlights, we will certainly start the work to get our concert hall, make it a reality. We are going to be developing the plan to expand the Trelawney Stadium to be at the center of sports tourism. And we will be expanding the National Stadium so we can accommodate champs or celebration and other major events.
Ambitious undertakings and a lot riding on their successful implementation, if only to take the edge off hikes newly imposed on already overburdened taxpayers.
You need to be started.